The fidget spinner,
Stupid.
the cube,
So what we have here is the fidget spinner.
the actually pretty good thumbnail.
How about the middle?
The tie.
It's what allows it to spin.
So, why did you say you're calling me?
You're a crazy doctor, right?
Yes, I am a crazy doctor. That does not mean I would like to be having people call me at 11 o'clock at the night. It's 11 o'clock at night. Go get the light and go to bed. Why are you calling?
Well, Doc, today I walked in my room and I saw a fidget spinner, and I think I'm having fidget spinner flashbacks.
Fidget spinner flashbacks. Let me just look at my documents. Yes, according to this, if you're having fidget spinner flashbacks, just at the near glimpse of one, then you have about 48 hours to live. A good day, sir. Ugh, I hate these stupid people, man. Not letting me go to sleep.
48 hours? This is almost as bad as the time I had Jake Paul cancer.